How do I get Python's pprint to return a string instead of printing? In other words, what's the sprint equivalent to pprint?
The pprint module has a function named format for just that purpose. From the documentation, return the formatted representation of object as a string. Indent, width and depth will be passed to the prettyprinter constructor as formatting parameters. Example.
Assuming you really do mean print from the prettyprint library, then you want the print.format function. If you just mean print, then you want str.
Are you looking for print.format?
Format server doesn't